Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to use your virtual OBS camera on Zoom. Very easy and very quickly. Of course, on Zoom, firstly make sure to host a meeting or join one. Let us actually create one. Launch meeting. You can either use a web version or you can just install it onto your computer, which is something that I'm doing now. And as you can see guys, this is a very simple window about with streaming, and you can talk to people on Zoom like this. And guys, as you can see, we have two main settings, which is audio and video. And it's very simple. Just press on USB webcam. As you can see, this is my main web camera. It's not shown because I'm recording with it in my OBS right now to record a video for you guys. But in general, if you want to use your virtual OBS camera, just click on here, and as you can see, OBS virtual camera, set to it, and whatever you use in your OBS, filters, blurs, any kind of effects you will have in here in your Zoom. So just make sure to choose, instead of your actual camera, like the real camera name, whatever your camera's name is, just choose OBS virtual camera and you're set and good to go, guys. Very simple. And just like I said, you can do this both from the web version of Zoom and in the application, just like I just did it. So hopefully this helps you out. Leave a comment if it did, like the video and subscribe. See you very soon.